At Simplicity Car Care Airdrie, creativity is always at the heart of collision repair. Just check out the shop's social media posts and you'll see dedicated repairers who know that a quality repair is one that relies on community collaboration as much as it does technical skill. This creative team is led by General Manager Mike Nickel, who, with the help of his wife Kathy, has grown Simplicity Car Care Airdrie to 17 strong. From a warm and welcoming atmosphere to a clean and modern shop with all the tools of the trade, Simplicity Car Care Airdrie is more than ready to tackle everything from a minor fender bender to a major repair. In continuing to recover from the after effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, Simplicity Car Care Airdrie is excited for the future, where Mike Nickel and the team work hard on becoming a true community staple. Come on down to 2890 Kingsview Boulevard Southeast, Airdrie, Alberta, and see for yourself. Simplicity Car Care Airdrie, where sustainability is key and where collision repair is a matter of endurance and excellence.